This 2012 Porsche Panamera is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Porsche Panamera 4S AWD Sport Exhaust Bose Audio Package Porsche Entry Package Navigation System Rear View Camera Front Parking Sensors Rear Parking Sensors Side Rear Power Sun Blinds Power Rear Liftgate Heated Front Seats Ventilated Front Seats Heated Rear Seats Ventilated Rear Seats Keyless Start Keyless Entry Power Sliding Sunroof 4.8 LV8 Engine 7-speed PDK Transmission All-Wheel Drive System Heated Exterior Mirrors Leather Wrapped Steering Wheel Automatic Xenon Headlights Steering Wheel Controls Cruise Control Adjustable Steering Wheel Bluetooth Phone Power Windows Power Door Locks Remote Trunk Release Silver Metallic Exterior Black Leather Interior Owner's Manual Floor Mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Porsche Panamera 4S is no exception. We provide low-cost world. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.